The main focus of the employer engagement team is to connect talent with employment opportunities. We don't just send resumes to employers. We make sure that we fine-tune those job seekers and make sure they're prepared before we make those referrals over to the employers. I would say one of the most popular services that we offer is the ability to have job fairs or hiring events for employers. There's usually a cost associated with that when an employer is trying to put on that type of event, but for us, it's no cost to the employer, completely free. The format for our job fairs look different depending on the need of the employer. It could be an employer who just wants to have a job fair and collect resumes and talk to job seekers, all the way to employers that might want to do on-the-spot interviewing and then offer on-the-spot hiring letters if they decide they want to move forward with the people. So it just depends on what the need is of the employer, and our team is very flexible to help meet that need.
This is a great partnership between us and Fairfax County. It's very easy. They provide the venue, job seekers, and everybody should do it. So the benefit of job seekers who come to this job fair is that we actually help them apply online within USA Jobs. Then they get interviewed, and then we call our references. This is a one-stop shop job seeking opportunity. At the end of the day, they will get job offer.
It was a very easy and ongoing process, fast, and everything was very clear. All the process were scheduled, and it was a very interesting way to get an interview and actually get a job offer.
Another one of the services that we offer is our employment centers. And we have staff here at all times. They help individuals with applying for jobs, putting together their resumes.
Our employment centers are open to all job seekers. Job seekers with various work experience, demographics, and all the education levels are welcome at our centers. These job seekers benefit from a lot of different services to support their success, and by the time they are referred to an employer by the employer engagement team, they are trained, qualified, and ready to work for you.
So employers can expect job seekers who seek our services at our employment centers to get tailored help from our career service specialists who have a wealth of knowledge and expertise in helping customers with their job search and resumes and interview preparation to make sure that they find an opportunity that fits them, and also that the employer will increase their chances of having a candidate that really meets their needs and has the competencies that they're looking for. We're here to meet that need and facilitate that bridge between the job seeker and the employer.
Another one of our services that we offer are work-based learning opportunities. And one of them is a WEX, or a work experience. And that's essentially where an employer gets to take on a volunteer for 10 to 12 weeks. We actually pay the job seeker's stipend. Another work-based learning opportunity we have is a on-the-job training, or OJT. And that's where the employer actually hires the participant, and we will pay half of their wages, up to $5,000.
So the trades in general have been very hard to recruit into over the last several years. Having somebody like the business service come to us with candidates who are interested in this has really made it very easy for us. They had the pool of candidates, they did some pre-screening, they sent the candidates, assisted in setting up the interviews. Their follow-through, their follow-up was fantastic. Start to end, it's just been great.
AutoStop is like a family. They really welcomed me in. I got really hands-on experience, and now I'm a full-time employee.
I want to say to the employer that keep in mind that this is going to be an ongoing partnership. So even though you might not find anyone at a job fair today, doesn't mean that someone doesn't come to our employment center next week who will be a great fit. And also, if you do hire someone, we want you to keep in mind that we're still here, that maybe 3 or 4 months from now, you maybe want to hire another person. So an ongoing relationship is our goal with employers. Altogether, everything that we do, it helps make sure that you're getting a vetted and qualified worker that has worked with one of our case managers, and also it will reduce the impact on your bottom line. If you do have any questions, you can always go to our website and contact us.